It is summer and I don't want to have lunch. I'm too drained out. Yet I'm super hungry. Really are. The past few days for me have been quite exhausting due to the work at home, and I wanted to bring myself to an easy and comforting lunch. Hello friends, I'm Hema and you're welcome to my channel Hema's Health Hub. Today's lunch recipe is the comfort food moong dal khichdi, which would keep me cool on this hot summer day. I know many will disagree with me or look down upon this ordinary recipe. For them, I suggest please try my recipe before coming to a conclusion. For the rest who resonate with me, a big same pinch. Every home has its own variation of khichdi. Basically, khichdi is rice, lentils and spices cooked to a soft consistency, the result being pure magic. And alongside khichdi, I'm going to have some curd. To balance out the flavors, I have brinjal fry as a side dish. I have given the link to the recipe of the brinjal fry in the description box. The moong dal reduces the body heat, thereby keeping us cool like a cucumber. No wonder why khichdi is the most preferred food during fevers. Please feel free to subscribe if you have liked the recipe. Thank you.